How to get microphone icon on iPhone keyboard. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, go to General as shown. Then, scroll down and go to Keyboard. You can manage all your keyboard settings from here. Over here, scroll down and turn on the Enable Dictation feature as shown. Tap on Enable Dictation to confirm. Dictation sends information like your voice input, contacts, and location to Apple when necessary for processing your requests. You can also manage the other options as well, like show math results, smart punctuation, delete slide to type by word, and more if you want. Following these steps, you can easily get microphone icon on iPhone keyboard. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.